everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the enamel erosion or tooth erosion. The outer coating of the tooth that consists of enamel, a substance that protects your teeth from chemical and physical damages. Enamel is the hardest tissue in the human body. It is tougher than the bone. This is the first defense for your tooth against the many different chemicals they are exposed to from food and from bodily fluid. As a result, it can prone to wear and tear. This is called enamel erosion. Enamel erosion can cause the symptoms like stain and sensitivity. Enamel can't be regrown, but we can prevent erosion from getting worse with dental treatment and by taking proper care of your teeth. The other symptoms can see that includes increased sensitivity with taste, textures and temperatures. Then discoloration. Then we can see the chips and the cracks and indentation. We can call cups on the surface of the teeth.
You may have significant enamel erosion if you experience pain and high sensitivity when exposed to cold, hot, acidic and spicy food and drink, and discoloration in your teeth. Over time, enamel erosion can lead to complications like yellow stained teeth, overly sensitive teeth, rough edges on your teeth, shiny spots on your teeth, increased tooth decay, gradual wearing of enamel. Enamel is the outer coating of tooth, leading to clear, slightly translucent teeth. And last one is the fracture teeth. Now we'll see the causes of enamel erosion. One of the main causes of enamel erosions are acid found in the foods and liquids you consume. Saliva constantly neutralizes acid in your mouth to protect your teeth. But if you eat too much acidic food and drink and don't properly brush your teeth, the outer layer of enamel will degrade over a time. Enamel erosion can be caused by what you eat, particularly number 1, sugary food such as ice cream, syrup and caramel. Number 2, starchy foods such as white breads. Number 3, acidic foods such as apples, citrus fruits, berries and others. Number 4, fruit drinks and juices. Number 5, sodas, which typically contains damaging citric acid and phosphoric acid in addition to sugar. And the last one is excess vitamin C found in citrus fruits. The other causes of enamel erosion that includes number 1, teeth grinding. Number 2, chronic acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflexes disease. Low salivary flow, also known as xerostomia, which is a symptom of condition such as diabetes. The next one is regular use of certain medication such as antihistamines and aspirin. And the last one is eating disorders like bulimia, which disrupt the digestive system and exposes teeth to stomach acid. There is a question always asked by the patient, can tooth enamel grow back? Enamel is a very tough. However, it doesn't have any living cells and is unable to repair itself if it undergoes physical or chemical damage. This means that enamel erosion isn't reversible and the enamel won't grow back. However, enamel erosion takes a long time, so even if you already have some enamel erosion, you can prevent it from becoming worse. Now we'll see the treatment part and the prevention part of enamel erosion. If you have experienced significant enamel erosion, a dentist can help you with a few techniques. The first is called tooth bonding. Bonding is a procedure in which a tooth colored material known as resin is applied to stain or damaged teeth. The resin can cover up discoloration and protect your tooth. You may want to consider tooth bonding if enamel erosion has caused discoloration on your front teeth. In more severe cases, your dentist may add a veneer or crown to your damaged teeth to prevent further decay. The best way to treat enamel erosion is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Even if you already have some enamel erosion, you can still prevent it from becoming worse by looking after your teeth with good oral hygiene.
So friends, always remember, if you are having a problem with sensitivity or there is a problem like tooth erosion, do consult your dentist because he is the right person. He will guide you correctly. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.